Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this error, game file validation failed, validation error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So I'll show you how you can validate your Hytale's game files. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. You're going to go into roaming. After that, you're going to go into Hytale, go into install, release, package, game, and then you'll have this folder called latest. You're just going to go ahead and delete this latest folder, so just delete this folder. After that, you're going to reopen the Hytale launcher, and then it will ask you to update the game. And when you click on update, it will revalidate, re-download all of those files and folders that we just deleted, and then your game will work. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Hytale validation failed error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.